Here we have both vacuum cleaners set up. It's a Kenmore powermate bags canister vacuum cleaner. And here we have the Henry HVR200. And on the floor we have brown and green cables for test crown. So let's give it a go. As you can see, Kenmore powermate has scattered around, but with Henry HVR200, it's all cleaned up without scattering around. If you like it and if you want Henry vacuum cleaners, then go to myhenry.com to get yours now. Then you decide to choose this bag's canister vacuum or whatever you like. Made in UK, first 3 features, built to last, unstoppable cleaning, perfect all-arounder, and dust-free emptying. Now, it's always you to get your Henry vacuum cleaner in myhenry.com.